The Indian purple frog is one of the strangest and least seen amphibians on Earth, native only to the Western Ghats mountain range of southern India. The Indian purple frog has a bloated, balloon-like body with a pointed snout and short limbs, giving the Indian purple frog an appearance completely unlike most other frogs. The Indian purple frog spends nearly its entire life underground, surfacing for only a few days each year during the monsoon to breed. The Indian purple frog's purple-gray skin and pig-like face make the Indian purple frog look more like a creature from a science fiction movie than a forest-dwelling frog. The Indian purple frog was only formally described by scientists in 2003, despite the Indian purple frog's presence in Indian tribal folklore for centuries. The Indian purple frog is a living fossil, representing an ancient lineage that diverged from other frogs over 100 million years ago. The Indian purple frog has a highly specialized lifestyle, adapted perfectly for a life spent in dark, moist underground burrows. The Indian purple frog uses strong, shovel-like forelimbs to dig and maneuver through soil in search of termites and ants, the Indian purple frog's primary food sources. The Indian purple frog communicates through deep, resonant calls that echo during the monsoon rains, helping the Indian purple frog find mates in the thick forest environment. The Indian purple frog lays eggs in temporary rainwater pools, and the tadpoles of the Indian purple frog cling to rocks using sucker-like mouths to survive fast-flowing water. The Indian purple frog is incredibly elusive, and scientists know very little about the full behavior and population of the Indian purple frog due to the underground lifestyle. The Indian purple frog faces serious threats from deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and agricultural development in the Western Ghats, which is one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. The Indian purple frog is listed as endangered due to the limited range and the continued pressure on forest habitats. The Indian purple frog plays a critical ecological role by controlling insect populations and contributing to underground nutrient cycling. The Indian purple frog represents the deep biological history of the Indian subcontinent and reminds humans of how many hidden species remain undiscovered or poorly understood. The Indian purple frog has gained international attention for the bizarre appearance and mysterious lifestyle, becoming a symbol of amphibian conservation. The Indian purple frog challenges conventional ideas about beauty in nature and proves that evolution takes many strange and successful paths. The Indian purple frog may look odd, but the Indian purple frog is a survivor, a product of millions of years of adaptation. The Indian purple frog teaches scientists about evolutionary isolation, adaptation, and the importance of protecting even the most obscure species. The Indian purple frog is a treasure of Indian biodiversity, surviving silently beneath the forest floor, waiting for just the right moment each year to emerge and continue a life cycle older than the Himalayas themselves.